Good morning, beautiful people. It's the crack of dawn and the ferries are working again. So we're heading to Hulo Station where we're going to get a ferry, the first ferry of the morning, to Quinto Market. Hi. Can we go to Hulo Ferry Station, please? No? Hulo Ferry Station. Hi. Can we go to Hulo Ferry Station, please? Hulo Ferry Station. Well, it's not quite 6:30 in the morning, and I'm at the Hulo Ferry Station. So the ferry office isn't open yet. The first ferry's at 7. It's about 25 past 6 at the moment, and so we'll just have a look at the river. An early morning church service. Well, it's reasonably peaceful here. It's nice. Oh, great. Thanks, just pop it there. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Only 12 pesos.
12 pesos.
Yeah, 12 pesos only.
12, thank you. Well, I've got my instant coffee. It was 12 pesos, which is about 30 cents. And delicious Nescafe. Hello. So I've just put my name on the manifest and filled out my contact tracing information, and I have another contact tracing information slip in my pocket to give to the people at the station, the ferry station that I'm going to, and we're just waiting for the ferry. Okay, terrific, thank you. Here comes the ferry. Thank you. So we're on the ferry and we're pointing in the wrong direction, I think. So we're going to do a U-turn. So fresh. Oh, it's so nice. Clean and fresh. When I first rode the Pasig River Ferry, I had no idea that in the 1990s, ecologists had declared the river biologically dead. And then President Cory Aquino started the Pasig River Rehabilitation Program. The goal was to bring the Pasig River back to an ecologically healthy state within a timeline of 15 years, using a holistic approach of curbing industrial and household pollutions and cleansing the river itself of tens of thousands of tonnes of rubbish. In 2018, the Pasig River won the International Asia River Prize Awards, given in recognition of successful efforts to revitalise waterways. and the project is ongoing. Thank you. All right, so we've ended up on the wrong side of the river. There was a bit of an adventure on the ferry. At one stage the ferry passes the presidential palace, and so from about a kilometre back to a kilometre after the palace, you're not allowed to take photographs or video. And to ensure that doesn't happen, the ferry stopped, and an armed member of the Coast Guard gets on board to make sure no one takes any photos or does anything wrong. They also searched the entire ship, or little ferry, with a drug dog. Right. Pretty heavy security. You may be wondering where we are. Well, so am I.
Normal temperature.
So, as we end our early morning Manila adventure with a quick spin through Quinto Wet Market, I'm reminded of a video I made almost a year ago at Guadalupe Wet Market, and it makes me realise that this pandemic has definitely outstayed its welcome.